Yeah.
Yo, John,
And you see that Michelle Charles.
Give me a strength, you know. But you beat up the blood clot, man. Them about the man, them have your back and them will give you strength.
I no beat up, man. What you say about beat up thing the Rusty? On that, when the pirates sail out, who did the pirate have on the ship with them?
The same black man?
Who was the strong arm people them?
No black man?
Same black man. Go back, go watch the Pirates of the Caribbean. Understand what pirate do. At 3.2 billion the man take out, and Jamaica can't go to Bahamas. Look on the maths. Multiply 160 by 20 million.
Mark Golden talking with me, so the Prime Minister now do nothing. See? And guess what Mark Golden do? Go into the house them. But the Prime Minister bill. Go stand up and advertise females.
A pirate! Get wicked on them.
Hey, you ever
and
go
talk about the straight now.
You ever go
see where me come from.
You ever go into the you ever go on
me have the strength of the junglers them behind me.
Well, on the bridging, you ever go over Bernard Land estate over Portmore side, there's a which part the sugar land did there where they Andrew built up a place over there. It looked like the Everglades in Florida.
Oh, I know that.
Wow, that one they impress you enough.
So do you
look at the man.
Rusty?
Rusty, that one they impress you enough.
From see. A little bit there.
That's where him take the picture they managed to like him.
Yeah. No, not that one. Not that scheme. I think
that scheme, but one of the developing one.
Yeah. So why
you gone there making it look as if it's him a do it.
You see that man have no class, Rusty?
I'm coming to talk about Michelle Charles and class. Imagine that. I'm coming to talk about
still a mix up class with pirate, you know. You not confuse the thing. That's a pirate behavior. How the lands were taken over, my people. You not mix up class with pirate. Remember history.
The Prime Minister is in Portland.
Yeah, live.
The Prime Minister of Portland live, innit? I don't know what time he must start.
Live right now?
Yeah, man. No, not yet.
Rusty, make we see him, man.
No,
he not started.
Well, hear me now.
No move yet. Let me say something, Rusty, man. We at them, man.
Well, I don't know.
Rusty, you remember?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah.
The Prime Minister going to Portland is an overkill. He never have to do that.
Come on now, Rusty. Rusty, don't ever say that, let me hear.
He never have to do that.
Rusty,
what's
my
God, Mr. Prime Minister, you gone too far though, boss.
No, Rusty. KFC Courts, listen me, man. KFC Courts, Burger King, Lotto. Me I tell you them, you know, look them up if I lie, me I tell. Every night before the news, or after the news, or during the news, they advertise, don't it?
Yeah, it was.
Why do they advertise, Rusty?
For audience and for business purposes.
And to ensure that people, because those are the majority of time, that's the mass of the people view television. So, you must always make your presence be felt. Don't take anybody for granted.
Joke around, man.
Me know say a joke, you a joke, man. But me attack, me know a joke, you a joke, man. But me attack same way. So the people they see the big picture.
That is a must, you know. You can't disappoint Ann, man. Anna go on so good, you have to get her
mad. You're mad.
You have to get her
when
forward.
You see Ann hold up her hand and lick it 2 times. And
man,
say,
you have to get Anna forward. She work too hard.
Anna powerful woman. Let me tell you the woman.
Them yesterday in a Rusty. Steve McGregor yesterday. McGregor did that.
You nobody tell me about education. Me know what. Sometimes I don't want to hear about education. You know.
He ain't gonna look breadfruit because of Chicken Back Friday tomorrow.
Yeah.
Who gonna look breadfruit?
McGregor was in Portland yesterday. I look breadfruit.
Me want to export, make them low it, make you get for eat it up here, you know. Me want the breadfruit and get for export, you know.
A Chicken Back Friday tomorrow.
Go back to Portland, you know. So where you say, Rusty?
Breadfruit, man. Leave him alone, man. Make him man go buy him breadfruit, man.
He can't like green, man. What you talk about? Breadfruit coming out green in a Rusty. And an orange, you know. You know, for eat none.
But as far as me hearing him. As far as me hearing him. Then I find no red breadfruit yet, so I can get fucking I show.
afraid of the green.
Watch
You
out,
have
man.
to eat it. Yes, my people. Remember Christopher Columbus, you know, when he out there sail and he see one leaf, he say land there. And as he read, so he put up one flags. And that market he had up on we right now. I find see Andrew
Man
Bill.
house them with my bill. Can't talk about Ghana.
Oh, if you watch history and study it, you know, the man is a pirate. Me I tell you for a long time, you know, this man is a pirate. And he have some people around him. But they were part of the slave trade. And them used to dep on the ship. From the ship did they come from Spain. Them same set of people where you see around behind Mark. And a ball out say the little black man are wicked. Eh? Can never come from the elites of England. Yeah? And he must show them up. Me no want nobody tell me about education, cause look for miss. Look how them do Miss Vaz, the educated people where you can win a seat. And say them a give a goat. You know, look on it, you know. How much goat give in a St. Catherine? How much goat, the money where what the man name where run for the seat and now go to parliament? For him money should not buy goat. How much goat I give in there? Because we eat a lot of mutton. Why is it that these people not selling goat are trained to do goat, rear goat? Tell me that. That me want to know, tell me. I land it right there.
The thing is, when I try to show enough people when I communicate it on the road, I say, if there are several communities in Jamaica and parishes and district and whatever, and if you have money, you choose the best one for you and your family, where you think suit you and your family. And Mark have money and Mark do not choose Jamaica to live. That means he has no interest in Jamaica. He's only here to reap and go. He has no plan to develop this country.
Because then if he can fix up in here with them game with a little constituency at Jamaica, I'm gonna run.
Yeah, see the only thing we Mark Wallen do to next side. We shot he still on Arlindo I got the wave, you know. Arlindo they got the wave to people them. Nothing else.
You know, say up to now the people run get like a concrete step.
If he can't run the little place, they won't go run the whole Jamaica.
Up to now, the people cannot get like a concrete step.
Did you know that the bank were running a serious trouble?
Yes, it's under investigation by FBI for money laundering.
You know that the bank were run with the man
Yeah, proven it's under investigation by FBI for money laundering.
Did you know that to more people and can't pay them?
Yes, that's one of the reasons also.
You still not pay them. A full time for Jamaican people start to look forward and keep them.
Come with them. Jamaicans are chosen Jamaica.
Yes, they come with them. That's true, they come with them. But let me tell you something, they come with them now go better, you know. They can't better than bad mind, my brother.
And you know, so right now, one thing enough of them are choose Jamaica.
Enough for them to see.
Well, yes, but they are not thinking people.
You understand me? No, but you know, you have some of them, you know. Right now, I see them interview some of them, you know. Some of them are say, boy, they might choose Jamaica, you know. They might change, because right now, by the time election if start, right, I know anything. I tell you the truth, a whole heap of comrades will come over. Whole heap.
Some of them will put on the orange shirt. They will put on the orange shirt and go vote JLP.
Yeah. No, for them will come over. You understand?
Hey, I don't want to not take side or fight, you know. There's something I got add again, I want to see what I say. When the governor they make the money, come to Jamaica carry it and they farm the tobacco, the lagwood, the rum, the sugar, wagon, the cocoa, and the coffee. What they do with it? They make it stay at Jamaica?
No,
Where they carry go?
back to England.
Back to England, don't it?
Yeah.
So how do we expect a British man to make him with the money we man make here, stay here? It was not his, not supposed to be, he's not gonna do that. Him have to care about the wealth, go where it come from. So milk out the country, set up rerun. Make sure your family them are give you the things them from Trinidad. And you take out back the money and you carry go somewhere where England own. And that him a go on with. A pirate, wanna open up on the eye, they don't talk.
No, but me I say, if Mark Golding didn't mean Jamaica any good, yeah? When they find out that he's a British, why him have to think about it? Go to everybody to think about it. If you mean Jamaica no good, nobody and you love Jamaica, then you have to tell us if you go do it. You don't say no, me give Jamaica me all, so it's Jamaica me choose.
Miss, has he showed you that he renounced his citizenship? Has he showed you that?
No, but he
Don't
showed
show me that.
He show it
He not show nobody.
No,
Miss,
listen up.
Yes, he not
He
show
show
it.
it on the live, but when he show it
Miss.
on the live, it marks.
Miss, stop.
Wait, no, listen up, listen up. The paper where Mark Golding show, it shows that is Her Majesty. The Queen died all much years ago, so that couldn't be Her Majesty. It should be His Majesty. So like
Miss, stop talk, not a PNP talk, Miss. Sorry, me
No,
have to tell you.
no, what I'm saying, he come on the guy live, on the guy live, and I show a piece of paper. Say him do it, but me I say he couldn't do it because he could have marked Her Majesty. So it's not
Miss.
a real something fake.
Me I beg you to stop, you know, Miss. Because listen, we the people of Jamaica, have what we give to the public stations, where we have them as free to air operated. What is the word? Free to air operated. Plus, we have two paper, I know the word, but me I gonna use the word paper. Two written paper, what you call it? Media entities. And we have multiples of free-to-air media entities. Have he gone to any one of those institutions to show that he renounces his citizenship?
No.
So how can you say that he did it? Him not show you nothing. Because he has not officially gone to one of our media places. Where he has gone is a chat house. What? That show you that this man have no respect for Jamaica, you know?
I
want to see what me I say now.
A fraud because the people him have a show. I know.
No, use the word saying do it. Him don't do nothing.
No, do not, man, for real.
Love, you
Him
have
not
to
do
make
nothing
that
at
come
all.
out your mouth. So make it come out your mouth. No go so.
Nothing he has done to show us that he renounces his citizenship. Now give us his birth paper.
There should be a law. There also should be a law to come out that him can put in name to the ballot box until he renews it. But I don't know where
we want to see. It a go bust before election, man. No worry yourself. It a go bust.
But Mark Golding shouldn't be in a parliament because it is illegal. It is illegal there.
Exactly.
No, he's not illegal.
He's illegal there.
No.
Why is it?
Because we are still under the Commonwealth and we are still under British.
Yeah, but he's a British band. Which one and which Commonwealth?
Yes, in a British band, we can't fight him for that.
Prime Minister. Yeah, run.
No, but as a Commonwealth citizen, by the laws of Jamaica, he's able to.
Mark Golding is a Commonwealth. But if my run, yes, if my run to the ice house, he shouldn't be there. Because
all right, that's our argument.
Yeah, but when
that's our argument.
As a PMP president, he never tell nobody he was a president. He was a British citizen.
Exactly.
Because if Portia and Peter Phillips didn't know that he was a British, they wouldn't take it.
They couldn't do him nothing. They can't do him nothing. Because he have PNP money.
No, but it was so bad because Lisa Anna, a bad Jamaican, and him no bad Jamaican.
Yeah. Then I like woman. What is wrong with your miss? How they figure give woman power again? You know, see that what they do with Portia? The pressure when them take for push her out, it busts in her cranium and have her lock up in her house, you know. Me have to say it that way then. The pressure when them put Portia in her as a black woman, it turn her in a psychopath. And them do it, you know. And them do the wickedness to Portia. Sorry, but we have to talk the truth. You think them did not get Lisa that? A mark of PNP money, you know. A fix that money mark of a...
Mark Golding trust PNP for 10 million. I know he can't pay the people them.
And what you say? How never hear that one day? Go on, let me hear it.
Yes, Mark Golding buy with PNP for 10 million. How wrong with you?
Oh, you say PNP have 10 million for Mark?
Mark Golding buy PNP for 10 million.
Chelsea.
Oh, just... Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man, he never paid them.
He never pay them all now.
In just the presidency, then, that's what the lady need to tell you.
Oh!
I know him not pay them.
Oh! I am so nice.
So you never
But
know
for
that.
real?
You never know that Olympic.
No, me never hear that one day. Me never hear it.
You know that can't be sad. You know, from man, and some big man come spend some money, you know, a man from and jug man from. How we are taxing?
Oh!
And get out the you know.
Yeah, me remember that. Yes.
We are talking about.
That's true, not tell.
And that's why
In an election with Lisa.
Yes,
Yes.
they turning delegate against Lisa. They won't buy it out.
So they after that, then still make this money and trick them, you know?
That's why me know say PMP no good, and that's why I hear me just use this statement a while ago. Them just cannot change them out of sense.
PNP are junk on the business, PNP are David, man.
You
Yeah,
never
man.
know shit abide by the presidency. Not inviting Josie.
When you look up it, you see,
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
your sister Crawford.
All right.
Graphic, good evening.
Good afternoon.
East Central St. James. Identify
What's up?
yourself.
Pardon?
Identify yourself. Me not pick up who is East Central St. James.
I am from St. James.
Yeah.
A big man, a big man. Talk up the things them east make the lady hear you. Woman power we say, you know the place.
I work for, I do, like, I am a, what you call it, the election worker, Edmund Bartlett.
Oh, why me ask you now? Jaden have a page name JLP East Central. And James.
No, you have an official JLP East Central, but not like mine has the initial with the edit with the bell and the signs and stuff. You have the official page from the office.
No, me I talk about a page where Jaden have where get hacked and the person that go around and a scam people. So me just try to check it out. Jaden, boss Jaden, in backup page. So if you don't see that page there and it has said any request to you, say if it said on the phone number so they can go no credit and so, or no don't accept it.
Understand.
So that's why you kind of get
Me no want
a while ago from think it come out.
well,
No, this are different. This
You
are
don't accept no money from nobody.
These are different East Central. These are different.
Okay, all right.
Crawford.
A licky. We not accept no money, Crawford. We not licky.
I know, but
Not accept no money.
Not even money, not even gift we make from full life.
Alright, see Paula say she see it send her a message this morning.
Yo, a Rusty I go and say in the evening. Every time you come on, you know, Crawford, him ever come up with some food thing, you know. Yo, you know, like how that brother you behave, you know.
Are you must show up, man, Coffee?
Me I come off.
Yeah, because I don't understand.
Rusty, what is that?
I two breakfast we just done roast saying can go and we just roast two breakfast and some curry chicken and go and marinate.
Like it Irish potato.
Alright, doll. Alright, link Tyler.
Pumpkin stew with saltfish, you know?
Oh, pumpkin.
Oh, Buckley. I never eat that yet.
looks strong.
God, you hear what Crafty say? That looks
Yeah, Jaden.
strong.
Yes, I'm King Solomon at Jaden account, and them a use cannot try scam people. So Jaden, anybody?
So they ask him, which Jaden, you wanna always that one no problem?
No man, boss Jaden from down at St. James. Sir.
Boss Jaden, I don't know that one there.
You don't know boss Jaden. Okay.
Boss Jaden, me no member. Me think me know one boss, something me no member for boss Jaden.
Dollar boss Jaden.
I think I know that page is. The thing is now, cause you already happen with the page and for the
At 1 o'clock now, you know? Rusty, where you going with?
people they tell they say them page, they can't log in at them page and they want to send you one code. So see the moment you share the code with them, they log you out of your page and then take over your page. What? Yeah.
Yeah, man, I talk about from with
the
you.
number, they tell us they're going to send you one number. So they use your phone number, send you one number, like one forgot password number. And then when you give them the number, them use it, log you out of your page and then take over your page. That the scam there, everybody should know about that. The scam there years that the scam there they run.
Yeah.
You know how they act. Me not think I saw them catch film.
Me say me take your phone number now, put in a TikTok, Facebook, anything, your WhatsApp, anything, me take over your page.
That's what I said to you, sir. That's what I said to you, sir. What the person is doing with that page. They're asking people to send them their phone number because they might try to tell them, so they might offer them stuff.
Yes.
So when you send the number now, that's how them end up. I go.
So then, so when you send them a number now, then go send you one link with a code number. So you go share about the code number to them, and then them just take over your page and log you out. You can never log back in, because then once they log in, then go to the account, change the account, the phone number, change the email, and you're done for.
That's why I not give much people my phone number, you know.
No, it's not about giving a phone number. It's about the code that you receive.
Yeah, I understand still, but you know.
Yeah. It's about the code that you receive and share. So whatever code you receive, not share it. No matter what they call it, till I say, you know, so I send one code, send me back it. No, nobody at all. No matter how close that person is, not share no code with them. Cause right away you lose all your information. You can't lose your bank account information. You lose your email, your Gmail, whatever.
That's why I mean I do certain things on the internet, you know, because I know how dangerous it can get.
All right.
But they can't tell me otherwise.
You're coming like my husband. My husband not do.
All right. What me do now? What me do? Me buy one software. Me buy one software from a company named Avast International. It's an American company. Me buy that software. So what me do? Me link it to any device me have. So no matter if a guy try to hack my device, me got an alert a couple seconds before he enter where me can stop it.
Okay.
You see my daughter have all of them something there. But you see me not play games with you see all my phone them when they mash up, they not left my yard.
No, you know
all the computer them nah left my yard.
Now give away them listening. No.
You know how much phone me have on my yard right now?
You see, there's a way how you can wipe that phone permanently now.
Never wipe.
Everybody
Never
can
wipe.
do it.
Hard drive never take off nothing off right.
No, you can't. It can be erased.
Yeah man, me tell you that. You don't got time it erase so when you mash up the hard drive there.
No man, we can't erase your software. We can't have a software that can erase everything.
Yeah man, so, and nobody don't know the password for that the software there.
No, because of my software, I want to buy.
Are you right, sir? Are you right? And you have the code feed?
Yes.
You write the code. You write the thing the code feed.
No, I'm write the code feed, but
so how you fit out that way there? That me I tell you.
No, but the software I'm buy can wipe the phone.
Yeah man, me understand you.
Yeah, the software I'm buy can wipe the phone.
You know, fight you on your argument still, you know, but you see through me in this world, in this kind of technological world, yeah. I say whole heap of things. I don't know how Leah hide Leah and Leah hide Leah. Then I don't really take it for granted. You see me?
All right, you have a 1, 2, 3 level, which the software show you all of the levels them are off the erase all of that. So something else, it's a good, yeah. I saw me try and improve and me have. So if I have a device, I'm going to give a family member that me use and clear everything.
But if you take up my daughter phone, she know. If you lift it up in her hand, she know. So somebody take up her, if you take up her tablet, if you take up her whatever the friggin' computer, she know.
Even
so,
right. If me up on the road, if me up on the road and me lose my phone, I can wipe my phone before them all me have to do is send a text message to my phone. I wipe my phone.
Oh my God, right.
And it restore all of my backup and send it to my email. My pay I was 90 something dollar US me pay for.
Okay.
Have a scheme. But we have to be careful because I want them to see them really come up with that thing. They send people code to your phone number and tell us something. They can't log in, they're sitting and then want you help them. You see the moment you share the code, they log your thing. But PNP them do it.
Anything you can do, me can't do it neither. So me I leave you right this.
Yeah.
That they make you know. Anything where you can do. You think a little scammer call me up here?
You get the toll
tell me how great them is.
Olympic, you get the toll scam too?
No, yeah, you know when I time them scam me with the toll.
Then
yeah, but
hey,
not down there.
With, you know,
yes.
the toll, you will fall for the toll one because guess what? The toll money not even enough, you know, like $6, $8 them
yes.
You know.
But you may always have $30 per mic. Because we put all of the vehicle them with toll. With the toll card on it. So one at a time we'd have to shut down the account them.
So we have to just be careful, yeah, man. Because they work hard, you know.
They need money for election, they can't get the parish council money no more. So they have to go fishing. You better know that.
They might go hard. DNP they go hard. So
me here say they take one little man down a west. Down the top part of Westmoreland.
Yeah.
And me here say I feel like a whole for water. But now me here say I say I don't take him away. So you know what that means.
In life and that's it.
Yeah? Me say I hold for water I feel like go.
Our big dealership in have, you know.
I don't know if it's big or little or medium, but
in sell small truck, like small dumper truck, 6-wheeler dumper truck, car, van, and them sell.
Yes.
So you just have a vigilant, yeah, man. You just have a vigilant.
Me don't go on the police catch them. The only thing me want. Me want the working JCF and it's intelligent.
Intelligence. Yeah, man.
Just go deep in that one, yeah. And as they rise up, you get deeper in them. Because they know, say, if they touch the bell chuck again, they watch what go on a knee grill. You know, see from it go on a knee grill, everybody break up like a badass. Eh? Alright. This is our next thing I'm going to tell the persons though. Do not turn off the location of your phone. For no reason at all. Don't make nobody tell you nothing. Not turn off the location of your phone. That is a safety net. That will help you. You see, for once the JCF can get a phone number, it's easier for them to find you. Yeah. So not, in any city, not turn off your location. No. But you see people them what they hide from their man and their woman, what they get trouble road and this thing, they have to do that. But the thing is,
You see, in a certain situation, if I feel lost, at that will help me find it.
Yeah.
Not turn off a GPS.
Have an iPhone, you can.
And
If
that
you
will
ever
help me find
touch, if you take up for my phone or any one of my family member and you take care of you, as you touch the front so your picture there.
Yeah, man. So it thing is, we have to just be careful of our.
Yes, labor rights, the Prime Minister out of Portland. Our
Make
place.
money for it.
Put it in my area, that you know. It's my area.
Him not reach there yet. Where you said you not gone live yet, miss?
No, I'm not there, but it's my area. That's where me from. East
So you're not
Portland.
supposed to have it on it. You're not check the link, man. What the thing that Rusty, what we don't know if the PM coming in a moving machine, you know.
I'm at work
So
at
we
the
can't go
moment.
check certain things. In a moving machine. The machine that moves, so we can't check certain things.
I would know.
Rusty, we hear your belch a while ago, brother. That's not a good sign.
Let's have mercy, I'm sorry. So you sleep, man?
Oh. Hey. Mr. Urel.
But piece of food you just cook like a while, man.
Oh, you mean? You say they are Orlando, don't?
Cornmeal dumpling and Irish potato and pumpkin stew with saltfish, man.
Yeah. Are you there, Orlando?
Nah, man, me there Jamaica, yeah, man.
Oh, who there, Orlando? Somebody did say it yesterday.
Me retire, you know.
Jack Frost. Jack Frost
Oh, yeah,
and, Jack Frost and Orlando JLP.
Orlando JLP. I wonder which part.
Anyway. Me not hear said him Mobile Eastern said not yet.
About the about our
Mobile Eastern, the man want to hear.
Yeah, me need.
All right, no. The thing is, we should our meeting should be this week, but it was cancelled based on the Prime Minister won't be available this week.
But the Prime Minister going to the summit in Florida, ain't it?
Yes. So
Yeah, rotted.
so
Yeah, go
Hello?
on.
And when he come up from Florida, he's gonna be in the carry come for the 6th and the 8th.
yes.
Okay,
After that, now we are
what
going.
that go on down there now?
The Prime Minister very
What's
busy,
that
because the thing is, everybody want interview him. Everybody want to find out how he manage.
Oh, well, out of that, me a talk. Me a talk
When you're
about
great,
the
you're great,
cats.
man. And when you're blessed, you're blessed.
Well, when all is said and done, one thing I am asking of you folks, check the voters list at the nearest post office, nearest town in our constituency. Check if
What's your
you
name?
on the voters list. Then, first and foremost, right?
And true, because they will throw your name off.
And
They will move in him.
if you don't move already, you can't move again.
All right. The thing is now, what
If you
Mr.
move already,
Bartlett
you
has
can't move
done.
again now.
What Mr. Bartlett has done, he has given us tablet with the voters list. So what we do now, we go through the community and search everybody. We do walk and search and get and make sure say everybody, we have everybody.
Mr. Senior, Bridget, if your son still have vote PMP.
No, they don't decide. So they might do it, you know. They might say the same argument where they might say the Prime Minister thief and so on. And I may have put to them, tell them, say, no go so. We don't know them young because the way the young people talking and we have some old.
How young your son is, Mr. Urel? How young them is?
The two last son, the one at 30 and one at 27.
If you ask him about
And
the
them
Prime
have that attack there.
Because them are some people around them are 20 talk same way.
No, but that
No,
asking
sir.
for
No,
the
and then you send them go to school. You send them go learn to read and write.
Well on. Me just build one house, give them, you know. And that,
Oh, that's
way
the problem.
life. No way in life.
And
They
that's the
can't vote.
problem.
They can't vote PMP, man.
No,
So, look here, Mr. Urel, may I beg you, sir. They have tablet, don't it? And they have what is something here? They have computer,
They have
don't it?
everything, man. They have
All
everything.
right. So what you are going to do them? If you not do it already, me just going to repeat it to you. You
No,
just
me
make
do it
them go
already,
on. What you do?
Me do it
Tell me what you
already.
do. What you do?
Me tell them, say, go on the net and search everything and search all the IC and everything.
No, you send them go to the specific site. You send them go pull up the IC report of the Prime Minister. Send them and make them read it. Give them a week to read it and come back to you and give you a summary. That is how you are going to educate them. Now just tell them, say, go. Tell them, say, go read the IC report on the Prime for the Prime Minister. And when they read it, you get a summary from them. Because that's how you will know if them all learn.
Nobody not reading. If you ask them what the Prime Minister thief, 28 bank account. That's all them depend. What the Prime Minister thief, 28 bank account.
Yes. Because it's just a catching phrase. When PNP sit down and cement for over a year and chat shit. Tell your bright son them, your bright boy them say. Just sit down, read it, and just read it. Read it through, and if you have a printer at the house, you print it and give them it for read. And highlight the money part where them are talk about. Don't make nobody tell them no story and direct them part, because that don't make no sense. You can't follow what people say. You must see it for yourself.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Bridget.
Yo. You know, no, me down. Yeah, man. You know, me can't talk long. Yeah, you know, so me have in and out.
Yeah.
But Mr. Senior, when them say the PM thief, where you ask them where him thief, Mr. Senior?
Of course, me ask them.
And what them say?
And if they after them here, me say them why you don't go searching for yourself to find out. So what the Prime Minister thief? Me say, them say the Prime Minister have 28 bank account. I mean, what say the Prime Minister have 9 bank account. Because that's what the IC say. You see?
So when them say you tell them to mark off 32 who them will vote for? Or who they will vote for?
Yeah, that they have one step in and they aim. If they come look for me, they always come check me at evening time. So as one check through the grill, me say, you know, here, how much bank account, Mark, make? Me soon come daddy. And me don't see him till about 3 days after, so I know he don't answer me. So them all learn.
It's a senior.
Them all learn. We don't miss that vote, no worry, think so. Them all vote.
A Portland, them live, Mr. Senior?
No, man, St. Andrew.
Which constituency you live in?
Gillette Cockburn.
Oh, you live. You know what? You don't know why I think you live at Portland. So
Bridget, me want Mr. Senior buy them each 2,000 shares in a one company. And me want them file them tax at Jamaica. Because that's how you have to train them. When they file them tax, make me safe. They might go pay a thing upon them taxes.
Let me know how to say. So the house you gave them in St. Andrew too?
Yeah, man, same place up here. Also, then growing at different house, then living in now. I build a new house. What really happened was building a new house here, all of us. But sadly, my wife takes sick with cancer and Batachu for about 9-10 years. So the house take long to make. Because you have to spend money otherwise until she never make it. She passed away 2021.
Okay, sorry to hear.
So we just finished the house since then and then go live in it. Then married her, the wife and everybody. But then I vote PMP, man. Then I go vote PMP. Maybe they only have pulled me leg some of the time, but they say me too deep. in the politics.
Is it?
But when we are going to vote, you know, I have to make them, no, me no make them drive, you know, the whole of them driving after me car.
Oh, yeah, me English are senior.
Because them have to vote, you see. Because them are, you know, the young people that want tendency and don't want to vote. Me tell them, please, if them not vote, me couldn't send them a school as so, and I me battle through all of them things, send them a college and all them things there. And me could make also when you vote, and when you vote for help you.
Yes. Seems so.
You see.
Smart
And me tell
man.
them plain said, many of the time me have to walk barefoot and keep one pants and one pair of shoes to them go to college.
Just to say,
Which
yeah,
them know.
yeah.
You see.
I know their kids, if they have kids, it will be easier for their kids because their kids won't need any guarantor, you know. It's much easier
One of them have 2 kids, one have none.
No, what I'm saying, it will be easier for their kids now to access university.
Only if Andrew win back. Mark, I can change that.
Wait about if, only if. Wait about if, not put no if in it.
Sorry, have my excuse, man. I am so sorry.
When I chat this, you make me chat Trimbley, you know, man.
No, but
Lord God.
when
No,
Andrew
but me just add to what Bridget is saying. Because any change of government, you know, they might dash with that and tell you say if you go have money, you know, because so they make for their money for thief, you know.
It can't change me back. There is no miracle. Can't make Mark Golden win this election.
no cigarette
No
butts, no
miracle.
ganja butts.
No miracle at all.
No cigarette butts, no ganja butts. Bridget,
No miracle, my brother.
Sure, you say it, Sandra.
no cigarette butts, no ganja butts. You're crazy, both butts. No butts, no banana butts.
All right. You know, find out if when the Prime Minister, they know, Bridget, I told device you have. Look if you reach a Portland.
Don't start it. My sister would tell me, don't start it.
May I charge you a tablet?
When gone up Sister Vaz.
East Portland, go cut there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
My favorite no, east.
Yes,
East of the
yesterday,
place.
Olympic, yesterday, me I passed through on the far you page. Cause you know, me I listen to the PMP. Anyway, me I passed through and them have one live. They were in, I think it was Favors constituency yesterday. And the comrades, they were having I don't know if a motorcade or what, but they miserably appear bad with the people them over there. I mean, I say, oh, no bitter so. Oh, no can't bitter so, comrade. You see the people them, a motorcade, them are having and them depend the live.
And they're violent, you know.
Yeah?
I'm very violent.
And
They're so
and the
violent.
liquor man and the boomer rum are busting at their head.
Them, no,
No, you come and watch
them,
the all the while, man. That's a problem, man. And the rile up what them a get from Mark Golden.
them the woman they never drink no liquor. 2 women, them never drink no liquor.
Every time Mark going into blood and fire.
But they were so bitter. And them a cuss up them bad word. Andrew must go that. I mean, I say, no, sir. Uno can't be so bitter. Uno have no motorcade and thing. Uno go enjoy uno self no virgin. No go and so.
You know, see, Andrew's a Prime Minister. Boy, the man, him just.
All right.
Why I'm telling you.
And then me go, make me leave and go, and then me I scroll through and me see one other live where Donovan Williams them down East
Central.
Houston. Yeah, sorry, not East Central. I may I tell you, the labor rights them were so happy.
yeah, man.
With Lawrence Bridget.
Yeah, or what? Me don't know if him did that, but we
Lawrence
never see him yesterday.
They must say his mother born him in Jubilee Labour Ward, blah,
No,
blah,
man, at two different meetings, man. They had a walkthrough yesterday. The meeting that they had was I think was the day before, but they had a walkthrough Raytown yesterday, and they were happy. They were dancing. they were having a jolly good time. And when you listen over the comrade them, a peer hand you figure do this and you say and hand you a batty man and
That they set out for.
Yeah, them no ambition. You know, Bridget, those people don't have no class. They don't have no ambition, no integrity.
and to me, they're sad plus tax.
Yeah, they're sick.
Peer bad one, you know. I mean, say no, sir. Another one of motorcade. Don't know she that happy and jolly and you know. We say they were so miserable. It was not funny.
But I don't understand Bridget. Andrew is all of us prime minister. It doesn't matter if you're a P, JLP, no P at all. He's all of us prime minister. And these people have no respect.
They carry on and carry on, mama.
Them no respect, Bridget. No respect.
No respect. No respect.
Me tell one day that day, one shopkeeper one day that day say, me I go give the $1,000 for go buy the rope of the greasy thing and blast itself. When Andrew win again, tell me say, Carol, me say that way me I go help you do. Me I buy the rope for you. Yeah.
Them is a PMP country. Them is a Jamaica have a PMP country. So want to know if them things
He man can't tell me say no see nothing go on for the 9 years. And me say, which part you live? Remember now man, I live in my district, you know. Me say yes, they agree say full road no fix.
I said the government.
Well, you know, see nothing else go on over the country. No. Me say all right, then build one big tank up there so I give him more water. That not will. And that may in the pipeline. And me say, but who do it? I know Juliet Holness do it.
Juliet when you in the pipeline.
Juliet Cartwright me say when them are whoop in the tank, when them are put water in the tank, then you be up there. Yeah. Me say you did see the PMP them up there? No, me say then who you go see how them build it.
That's the concept, no, you know, when they something them do, they say it did for a long time.
Yeah, my woman that I put it on him page.
Bridget.
She had the counselor. She had the counselor.
Hold on to Yuri. Hold on to Yuri. Me just get a phone call look away. Say, one man go to prison under Michael Manley government from 1970. And on the judge order. So the government must pay him $120 million.
If he was wrong, I mean I know the case still, but if he was wrongfully, yeah.
And that's my issue now, you know.
But the government.
Yeah.
This man they are prison 50 years. And if he was wrong, the government is the government. Oh, you hear me show you now. You hear me show you now. Look at the inconvenience of Michael Manley. Look at the inconvenience of this PNP government because what you know? Everything PNP do wrong, JLP have to pay for it. You remember the school up at St. Mary?
Yeah. But that's not the first man that come from prison.
This government have to pay for that.
That's not the first man. One we have to pay 40 million to him to the other day. The other one we only take 6 million.
The Lawrence one, when the police them too, who are going to pay for it?
The one government of the day. I saw it go, Rusty.
You see how life go? All of their dirty deeds that we have to pay for.
And you know, I believe that this state of emergency, when the men call the state of emergency, the man they got prison too. And someone of the young boy, when they take up put in a jail.
The guy when he Mario down a Moby and the government have to pay for it. Remember that one?
Mario Dean,
Yes.
Yeah, Mario Dean. Mario Dean used to work with me, you know. Mario Dean used to work with me at Sunset Beach.
Yeah.
The morning when we are looking for Mario Dean to come and work, and that youth used to come and work early, everybody I wonder what happened. Until we get the news. We up in the 10:30 so.
April.
10:30, 11 o'clock, we are get the news said they lock up Mario Dean. And by the time we go there, they start tell you how he pass stupidness till his mother come down and everybody. You see? But how much money them ask for?
How much did they get?
Why? I don't know what it costs.
How much money
how much you can pay a man for him life? How much can you pay a man for him life?
You can't pay a man for him life, especially a young man, you know.
And the young boy, him 20 when him dead, he never live no life.
Yeah, he was about 23, 24.
Never live no life.
And I want good work in the
Every mistake with PNP make Labour right have to pay the price.
good work in the
A Labour right have to pay.
It's crazy, man.
That's why they now go back in the power, the PMP them.
They have to go back in the power.
Can't get them, then go back. They make too much mistake for people to support them.
Me pretty than the power and page at about 9 years and Jamaica can't show where anti to Jamaica. That's stupid. That's stupid. So
Why?
So people still are listen pretty than.
no, in the power line, I thought they were.
So what I'm a bridging, you know. I don't know what our PNP side, you know. I say, at this time after your labor rights so long, it's a boy rusty. Money may I look, you know. See money I run.
It a happen up a St. Thomas Day, you know.
I say to him, Bridget, I say, Thomas, how long that the money I run for Thomas? I say, boy, once me get a visa out of it, I cut in a rusty. You know what thing go already, I look it. Boy, John, I couldn't think like how I see someone I think, brother.
Visa.
Watch out.
I rank time for come America now, you know, telling say better enter Jamaica. Can you stay there? I rank time, I know, brother.
Right now, I don't think there ever going to be a right time to come America right now after Trump. Right now, between me and you, neat and style, is it Trump a threaten Putin? Right now, fuck her to go on Iran, you know. Because right now, Iran and Israel at it right now, you know. And all America getting it and bomb Iran too, you know. And you can bet your bottom dollars Iran going to retaliate, you know.
But Iran now,
Iran retaliate already. They will retaliate again back on the American.
No man, him Rusty missed the news, man. Them retaliate again, but them never want to start no war Mario, because they make sure tell America say them all strike and if you move out them soldier and blah blah blah. But America was able to take out the missile before it hit the target, so it never really do nothing. So that question now well for now. Yeah man, Rusty, that question now, but
yeah.
So in a year
right now America
make the lady finish now. Well on the virgin. Yes, sorry.
No, I mean don't say Trump tell the two of them say him don't know the fuck what the two of them is fighting for. You understand me? So Trump is like disgust with the two of them, so I don't know why next move still. And if Mario knows
you check Putin. Last night me I watch on news. Me up till hours before day and I watch on news. And Trump was very much in arms, up in arms with Putin, and I say right now Putin for know what I'm doing because I say me here I make some talk and tell you something Putin. If you just try that, your mother buy black. No joke thing, you know. You believe that? My words, you know.
Yeah, me know. But you believe that, Rusty?
Trump's crazy like that, man.
Him can't. What Rusty? Russia,
the fuck, you know, man.
When you say Russia, you have to say China with you.
You remember one time when he remember in our first term as president, you know. I don't want to try to remember one fuck credit go on, you know. And one of them general said to him, say, like in general report, I'm said to him general, so don't we have nukes? Can't we use them?
Yes.
Trump sick.
Look at man. Shut up, not listening.
For some people, man, because watch out. See the same Putin there. But then you don't understand some of them people, you know, they might get all in a virgin. And them want to go to the bang, you know, and they want to carry out the world with them, you know, because them, you know, for them mind and them are rule the blood clot burn, and them not there, nothing there.
Yeah.
You don't understand what going on in the world with them, man, there.
You know, I go see Russia and America war, because it's going to get too nasty.
All right, Putin is 72-year-old, you know, or 71.
Yeah.
71 going 72.
And Trump at 80.
And Trump at 80. Why the blood and skirt, man, them a walk? Why, all right. Putin are the first one start the fuck. Why him decide to invade Ukraine? You know why?
You got to remember,
well, listen, man, you know the reason why him invade Ukraine, all of the excuse him make a false, you know. That is the thing with socialists. Them always make some false allegations to try and capture what they have. So the main reason why you see Putin gone over Ukraine, you see the dumb boss where them are trying to control. Them finds a whole heap of minerals there and I hit them one, brother. The minerals. Them finds a natural gas there in abundance. Them finds a oil, copper, coal. The same thing that they need to make steel and all these things there. It's loaded. That's why you hear the boy when he chumps, when he went to take over, he mean this up Zelensky and I try to side with Putin. Like he must say, boy, I want a piece of spoils. But boy, Zelensky, I'm going to stop the war and he's off Putin. But you give me some of them material and minerals. See, because we get a whole heap of bodies and you war and Zelensky. So, boy, I mean, I know about that, you know. And tell Trump, literally tell Trump to go suck him mother. Literally and the style, you have to read between the lines. Right? And like Trump, I say, you see it? Boy, you know, no order. You know, the man is a big man. And Trump, I like Trump, I tell Putin, say, look here, you cause it, man. Fuck you. And you see, so if just you have to just follow my reason and you will understand what I'm going on. You know? Not in my word, but in my word. Watch it up. Two of them, a bandolo.
Yeah.
It's like Trump wait for Putin slash Zelensky to help him to reap the spoils. But you know what I'm to Putin now? Putin said not over my dead body. Me I fight for this by myself. You're not getting none pussy. Go away. At the end of the day,
you left out the bigger part.
At the end of the day, the war now gonna stop, you know. Because everybody's fighting for spoils. While the people of Ukraine are dying by the hundreds for something with them don't even know why them are dying. More than them are dying.
Rusty.
And Putin don't give a fuck because I'm a 70-year-old and him not free mind. Him can go out and carry the world with him.
Rusty. People that on the live are listening, man. We can't talk foolishness on the live.
I want me to talk.
I know some man, you're not talking thing, I know so it thing go.
Yeah. Talking thing making here.
Bridget,
stop him and he not take no stop.
Russia protect them backyard. So me I say?
Good.
That is the excuse, man. That is the excuse.
No, man. Rusty, man.
The war a gone over 20 years, long before Donald Trump come in a power.
Thank you.
And not just now Ukraine.
That is the excuse you never use, brother.
He's not used.
Hear him say I know.
Big man.
How can it be excuse, Rusty?
Rusty. Nobody not trouble Russia.
Rusty.
Russia make the trouble, you know. Nobody not trouble.
A US one go set
people them join an organization named NATO and him up in arms with the
all right. And that's the problem then.
Rusty, you know, do you know that
join NATO and me have my own sovereign country, me have one sovereign country state by myself. What right have you know if you tell me what to join and what not to join?
You know, sir, Ukraine and Russia was one country.
No,
motivation.
Russia,
motivation. Carry him go right down at Jamaica. Motivation.
Stop it, Olympics. That's the reason that big on you right now. Let me tell you something about you. Did you know, sir? Ukraine is the mother of Russia.
All right.
Ukraine was a state 200 years before Russia was Russia.
No, Rusty. I know, no go so. All right. What if Ukraine they want to set up a base?
You know what I say? Me accustomed to done PNP, you know, but boy.
Here you know. Here you know. You carry him at the right place. Motivation.
Not what if you want to set up a base in a Cuba? Would America?
No, don't use what if. So when it did happen, yeah, them try to do that already, you know.
Would America allow it?
No.
Okay.
Because it's going in them backyard.
Okay.
It's the same thing with Russia and America, Rusty. America set up base everywhere for control and have power of the people and resource. It's the same thing they want to do with Ukraine and put
Tell him Hong Kong too. Tell him Hong Kong and China.
That don't give you the right to go bomb the people. My fuck you keep up. You don't have no right to go bomb the people. That don't give you no rights. Rolling at the people in country.
What give America right?
Fish right, so you never even do it right neither. You're rolling under this guys like.
What give America right to bomb Afghanistan? What give America right to bomb whether this country them in the Middle East?
Them never have the right to bomb Afghanistan.
Exactly.
Watch out. And them same one fuck with Bin Laden, you know, them train him, you know. Remember say Bin Laden. Remember say Bin Laden and them train him, you know, to fight against same Russia there, you know. Remember say when Russia did attack Afghanistan, you know, in the 80s, you know. A 10-year war, them fight straight, you know, Russia could manage them, you know. Who you think did I help them? I see America.
But what Bin Laden
and them promised, and hear the problem now. Them promised Bin Laden a whole lot of goodies, and when the war done, they left him a road. Him build the America building for them, you know. But under that, the thing him did have. So he turned back against them because watch out, them promised.
You're holding motivation in switch pan you. You're holding.
But Rusty, are the same thing again, you know.
No, but
Bin Laden never bomb America.
So
Bin Laden never done anything with America.
You have no sense if you listen to reasoning. Look at
Rusty, Joe
him do that.
George Bush. Well, I know Rusty.
So you can't almost justify Bin Laden thing in a way like
you can't justify.
No man,
Bin Laden never bomb America.
Well, I know man, listen man. You can't justify in a way what Bin Laden do to some extent.
What Bin Laden
they say he did. Because you're
Bin Laden never do nothing.
The man do a job for you and you promise the man something and you don't do it. You don't fulfill.
Rusty, watch this. America, George Bush go to Afghanistan, right? And said they want to build pipeline through the sea. Them tell George Bush, no, we now go allow that for you to build pipeline through the sea. See? George Bush planned 9/11 by himself because there is no country in the world can go under America radar and plane no bomb them out from the first time. And in second, any plane go under the America radar, get bombed, get eliminated right away. George Bush planned 9/11 and bomb the World Trade Center just to go fight war with Afghanistan.
Well, my good friend, you're entitled to your opinion.
I saw you go. The truth out there.
Are not facts. That is just
ask Rusty how much base in the Middle East. Ask him how much base there in the Middle East.
America have base everywhere.
That's not relevant to the reasoning right now.
Hell yes.
It's relevant because America wants to set up base in every country to control the natural resource in a people country. And if you not give them the power to do it
freely,
they lie upon you.
They use force.
They use force, just like what they do to Muammar Gaddafi. Look how they do to Russia, to Libya. The same thing.
Rusty now remember say they freeze the whole of the asset them. Little bit before COVID. You know, remember say they freeze the whole of the billionaire them and Russia asset. And then attack.
Rusty, Russia has saved the world right now. If I never Russia, the whole world controlled by America. That me I tell you.
To take over your country to motivation. Now ramp with him, you know. That I was 52 state, you know.
I control the world too.
Yeah.
I don't to control it.
No bother with that motivation. No bother with that, but them fi control it. We fi free.
Watch out.
Nobody no better than nobody.
You see, you know.
No, but remember, I know. All right.
See, you know,
who
Miller.
go down to Russia?
Miller,
Remember, I know.
Yeah, you know, Miller. And just because, you know, me want bucket of green go over here, so I just, you know,
but Ross, remember, I know. Who did I help to build up Africa? Who started brick?
Resources.
Everybody look something out of it, Miller. What you say? You think a man a billion or take out?
But yes, because remember, America I take out the whole line natural resource from Africa. See? And
America alone do it, France do it, Belgium do it.
All of Europe. That's why I put a stop to it with the combined.
Put a stop for. I say, if something I look out at it, just like every one of them.
Rusty, you identify the argument early. Say a two pirate.
Nobody not help nobody for nothing, man. Always for
exactly, and that's enough he said.
But Rusty, it would be better if Russia and Africa unite and get rid of all of them.
So
why Russia not gonna help? Why Russia not help Cuba? Why they make Cuba in the state with them in? Because they shouldn't have an argument with Cuba long time and help Cuba. They shouldn't have Cuba live so and they have everything same way.
What you know?
Right now, America me live, you know, around the Caribbean as a part of the Americas.
You do, Rusty. It's a fact.
Let me tell you something. America me a defend, you know. It's cheap.
I agree. We do live in America.
There is no way on earth we can defend America to what
around
America.
Around here me live, brother. Around here me a defend.
What America?
We are in the Americas.
What America have
We're
done?
Definitely in the Americas.
To the world.
Accurate zero where you want to say. I live in the Americas and I'm defending America.
We love America still, you know. You see me, I said, but I ain't idea. Them now do nothing to save Africa. Them just exploit the African country. We have to get rid of them out of Africa.
Boy, if you do, I want to tell you something. As funny as it may sound, probably them wouldn't be so accommodating or wouldn't be able to accommodate so much of us or any of us if they never pilferage in Africa. So but weird, but are the truth?
If Africa they go upon them own Rusty, America would not be so wealthy because they would not have the natural resource to steal with them a thief from generation till now.
Let me just say to you like
would have them own money.
Probably if they never rob Africa so much, they could not accommodate so much away.
We wouldn't need to go there.
But that this is without your blood class of Africa wouldn't go and go Africa neither.
But we wouldn't down here, Rusty. We're down there Africa a long time.
I would the fuck tell you that. Our cause if you think that. Where you get the story from? Any rascal this man not drink back no more day.
The thing is, you know, Rusty, to be honest, Africa can't run themselves, you know. It need outsider to run Africa. See?
Why?
Because
why? That's motivation.
No, look. Me not gonna say that. But what I can say is they need training and they need people to show them the way. And they would know what to do with their resources.
Exactly.
Go back in history and stop talk like
what
that.
they need to do is show them, take what you take and move along. Don't try to steal.
Brother, if Ethiopia, right down to South Africa, used to have electricity, build cities, why is it that they need anybody else to help them? Gold used to be, brass iron is the first metal.
In universe in the world in Africa.
So how is it that they never need nobody else to help them?
But
man, I don't agree with the argument.
But just overstand what I say. Look on all of the strong leaders who are coming to Africa. Look what happened to them. Them kill them. The same African side rise up against and warn people who come to liberate them. So them rather accept an outsider.
But look at, hold on, me think that is a thing with black people still, you know, because that's how we out of state, you know. We don't like that.
Yes.
Me know 100 blood clot man right now, and like bumbo clan, a big pussy boy, about my box and one there Canada, captain.
Yeah.
Me know, me sure know you 100 people like that.
Me know they rusty. White people show me more love, more than how black people show me, you know, brother. You see what I say? We want people when some fight sometimes when
for instance, now, all you wicked and cruel as a black man. You have one of the black man that ring a fight him, and you see the man drop and you still a thump the man. Still a thump the pussy. The man dead as a rascal.
No,
it's a thing with black people. It's not just Africa.
We stand on business when it come on to fool with people. We show more aggression to our own people than we show it to other race.
Yes, slavery caused that.
Hey, some of we are fucker, you know, because remember saying, you know, white people never jump off a ship and start running on black people and grab them one, you know.
Just call them date and camp.
I black king then talk to and say, watch out. I want some people for this info, you know, can't them come. And you go for them can't come. And they never want to beat out their ass and kill some of them too. And the white boy
call them date and Campbell, man.
You see, I saw the white boy them said, oh, okay. I savage them, look what them are doing either. I start beat out the ass the same way. And kill it too.
You're right, Russell, because the white people never bring slavery to Africa.
No.
Them they go see it, you know. Them sick because black people used to slave black people in Africa.
Yeah, sure, someone that we are a fucker, man.
Me say call them Dayton, man, and if you call them Dayton.
Remember say the fear of them, you know. Remember say the fear of them are the black people, you know. I remember say the Hebrews, them are black people too, you know. I remember say the Hebrews, them that work for the fear, you know.
Them slave out the weaker tribe, them.
Yeah.
Yes.
I saw the white man could have go down there and buy. The white man, yo, you see a black man, the big and strong, and the white man could have go and face any of them black people, eh?
They use the gun, man. Well,
and when the white boy then left Africa come a blood clot, when the white boy then left Europe come Africa, then he froze, you know.
Frozen.
Full of germs and disease and full of...
Tell them off the beard and wash them.
You party them up there, joke and fuck animal and eat them one and pay fucker, you know. I remember say animal...
Rusty, it's the middle of the day and you have people on the live.
Animal have to go cross the Alps, you know, and show the blood cleat boy them how to cross the Alps, you know. And they never know, so they have to go upstream because the river flow, you know. Water flow, you know. So they always try to cross this and end up out so and drown and something. So animals show them so watch you know. And when they cross and go over the man, they say, oh, you do it? They say you have to go up some man. Current to carry you so you tide. So they learn. See? I'm going to the cave them in the Caucasus Mountain, go teach them for brush their teeth in a virgin. And stop there with them one head and stop, eat one head and fuck the animal, them and some fucker, you know. You see?
Rusty, it is 12 o'clock and I have 18 and over up on the screen, brother.
I true history Rusty attack still.
Yeah, but him have to put up that.
Remember, so when Hannibal come, then bring books to them in a virgin. We have a university in Timbuktu long before white people know what was education, you know.
Yeah, man.
And black people create the thing when they medicine in a virgin.
We know the hurt, we know the tree, we know the compass, we know the time.
Then we start time, man. In Ethiopia right now, you still have a 13-month calendar, you know.
Yes.
Well, we there 2025 right now, them the 7 years behind we, you know.
And it's logical too. You can't say the logics of it, Rusty. If you say 7 days make a week and 4 weeks make a month, you get 30
months, man. Even the Bible in Leviticus tell you say, even the Bible in Leviticus tell you about a woman's cycle.
Yes.
So you know, she must be untouched for 7 days. And for 7 days she should be washed with water. So out of the 28th day of the month, young love 7
21. 21.
No man, 14 you have. 7 day cycle, 7 day way enough to touch her, enough to go in her bed, not even on her bed enough to sit down. You shall be unclean. That's when she see her period. And after that, 7 day again enough to touch her.
Okay.
Because she's still unclean. Yeah, man. A 28 day of a month, man. Babylon change up everything. And if you take off all of the rest of him, I'm putting a 28 again.
But Rusty, you know, say if this 12 months, when you collect your salary, 12 months a year, 12 one time a month, you lose though.
Well, me can't, but if me tell you something. That you see, we say when you pass maths at level 3, in a CXC, it means you have a little understanding about what going on, but you kind of eat that same way, you know. When at level 3, me get no maths, so me never bother try the maths.
Come on now. Rusty, see it now. All right, me I add it, because I know you have common sense. Like common sense, maths are common sense. If 52 weeks in the year, right? And them are pay you fortnightly. How much pay you don't get?
Not 25.
No.
How?
Fortnightly I get paid.
You see it?
So every 2 weeks. So if you divide 52 by
Oh, 26. 26.
That's 26.
Mm.
Right. But when you get monthly pay, on the 12th time you get it. So you don't have 2 weeks where you don't get the pay.
Oui. Yeah, them have to take that for themselves, you know.
Exactly. And they say them deal with you away.
Okay.
So you say like first world country, them pay people bi-weekly in a Rusty. So them are people that get them paid, then get the 26. But most third world country, not only Jamaica.
Well, I tell you something, Virgin. I only about tricks and trade, you see? All the way. All the way 1 year older than the time of the my birth certificate, you know.
Yeah. In 9 months.
Because the 9 months not check, you know.
Yeah.
I have to check too. By the time I can say China your life that start, you know.
You know you're right. If you really, yeah. So from that time they are your birth.
Yeah. Then your birth that when your father make it with your mother, your birth that, you know.
Yes. And you're supposed to can check it right back to the day, Rusty.
The 3rd month after you're born, you should have been 1 day.
Vilma, check your output. Check your audio. Now, Vilma.
You understand what me as a motive?
Yeah, man.
But if you don't have, so that's why when people like Bob Marley and Garnet Silk and certain type of people come out, them try to get rid of them in the car.
Early.
Marcus Garvey and certain kind of car. And Selassie, them want a wise man again around here, you know.
Yeah, man. Them was before them time, you know.
Yeah. I look on the work of Bob Marley put in and yet still he died at 36 years of age.
Imagine.
He'll come in like him and still even dead.
Yes.
Yo, you see all when Marcus Garvey there, black people could understand the man way massive. Then time they know.
That's why I running Marcus Garvey running from Jamaica, you know, man.
Yeah, they must say, who them someone that come from? Man, they too advance few regular people them time there.
But even for the Prime Minister, he advanced to the people, you know.
But the white man didn't know.
When they deport Marcus Garvey from America, you know, and in down a sentence, there's a stone him and laugh after him and boo him and mock and jeer him, I pick on him and some fucker, you know.
Did they?
The man I walk up and look like his mother wonder what is. While America in the morning, oh God, where Garvey gone? We don't have pit for him and a stone him.
Yo, I only man start a business in America and rise up.
Movements in the world, I don't mean in America, I mean in the world. And Marcus Garvey started, you know.
30.
Marcus Garvey start black consciousness movement in the world, you know.
And he start have a newspaper company where he write out.
First black man own a newspaper anywhere in the world. Marcus Garvey.
How much black man own newspaper now?
As the first man to start a political party too.
First man to start a political party and try to protect the union, to try to protect the workers union. Bro, man, they too advanced.
I'm for sure it's a PNP is a fucker blood clot people them. PNP sell out Marcus Garvey and send them a prison, you know.
Classes.
Yeah. Rusty a PNP run him out of. Yeah!
Gavi,
Nah,
they
man,
too black
Manley,
for them.
send him to prison.
Indeed, too black for them. They never like him.
I tell the people, you know, normal Manley, you know, PNP do again than the normal Manley. Eh? 3 more whole heap of hundreds of Rasta and beat out the rascal. And right one sitting there glean and say, they are dread men and they should be feared. I make people free the Rasta and I call them black heart man.
Even when they want to go for Marcus Garvey body, if you bring come to Jamaica, PNP never want to do it.
Fight against it.
Fight against it.
Fight against it. And Siaga was adamant and say, oh, go for Garvey, you know. And he became the first national hero. But blood clot PNP know about all them they sitting there. What's only a guy where jump up and talk one Marky G know about them they sitting there. Say a Siaga, I the man who cast national heroism in Jamaica. Right? Because Marcus Garvey became the first national hero, you know. Siaga start that the movements there, you know. Then Buster Man team, you know, after that 1977 and get national hero, you know. You understand? How some man know about them things there? I'm talk about blood clot, market.
Just step on the surface.
You ever know about
deep in a
All me I say Rusty.
I say, nah man, you know, lie. Them tell some born in Manchester, you know, England in born, you know. Michael man in born in you know, England in born. Oh, white people them. And I see white people that suppress me and oppress me for decades. I don't want to let white man again to go and oppress me again. Not a blood clot.
When we see in a Jamaica, Rusty, in the 90s and under the PNP administration, you could have known rich people. We are different. There was a gap, a big gap when you come out to rich people and regular people in Jamaica.
Yeah, because you see, the PNP, they just look out for PNP.
Right.
And if it was a PNP back in the 90s, it's easy for you to get rich and look out for you.
But now, when we see
PNP set up the country just like how you see Cuba stay, you know. The elite have enough and surplus, but the average folks have to get handouts.
Right, Andrew there now, Andrew level the playing field. Level the playing field, because sometimes you can't know who rich from who poor at Jamaica right now. Because everybody are level up.
But you there Canada, can you say who rich and who poor at Canada?
No.
And you can't say the same thing in America. Because the car where you drive can't tell you say you're richer than the next.
Can't tell. You see me?
And the house where you live in can't say you're richer than the next man.
Let me tell you the thing about America. Me never been there, me can tell you this. Poor people drive dear car and rich people drive strong car.
I don't know if I saw you want to say it. I don't understand that, but I know.
Well, let me explain to you.
Yeah.
The rich people them buy one car where we last them for 30, 40 blood clot here. A nice Cadillac or one of them car there. And that will last them forever. Rich, you see little poor youth them now. A BMW them want.
No, Rusty.
And some Mark 2 and some shit.
You know, see Mark 2 up here. What do you miss the first Mark? There's a later version, Mark 2, than the one where they are Jamaica. But let me tell you something about what me see. Rich people drive American car.
Yeah, that may I tell you man some car way.
No, but BMW and Benz are European drive them the vehicle and Caribbean people. Mainly. I not say America not do it. But for them vehicle, the rich people vehicle are mostly suburbans. Right? And they major in a boat. Not even car like boat. And when me see them drive truck. And then buy what the damn vehicle them name. And them not really drive them like that. Let me see if missing now.
Them have car like that. Them buy ties. You see certain sports car.
Exactly, that mean they go. But they look a low car the name again.
You have Porsche. Ferrari and Porsche and Bentley.
No, call the next one, yeah.
Lamborghini.
One next little one.
Lamborghini.
No, yeah, then do that. But then just park them up in a garage, you know.
Yeah. But they drive him out some nice summer now.
Yeah.
You see most of them carry the house.
Yeah, you have one little flat one. What that shit name? I think I eat that.
MG.
No. But the thing about, but me soon tell you when me soon see one pass me on the road. I remember it. See all one suburban.
Ferrari attack.
No.
Lamborghini, Porsche.
Mustang and
No, brother. Boxer, you're
Java.
supposed to know the little low car, them man. And a 2-door and it have the big engine in it.
Yeah, me call all of the car them must stay sorry, man.
yeah, they're not all of them carry the
All
record
of the car them
low.
make call little while so they stay.
Yeah, but for them,
I want other car. I want
somebody
other car.
can't tell.
So there's a European car, one car named Jaguar.
No, man. No. EVETT. Me soon tell you though, Rusty, but you see, you have a good credit, Rusty, and you collect your salary like what would I call middle class people at Jamaica right now, and you call it middle class America. You can walk in one of them places and take out one of the most expensive car. Once them see you can't pay for it. And even if they see you can't pay for it certain way, they will give it. Once you have a good credit. So that no make you rich. You see me I say? Anybody can drive once you have a good credit in America. Anybody. You can go right now, go take out a new BMW. Or the latest one, not new, latest. And that's the same thing I guess I Canada. But that no make you rich.
But people are foreign now, drive car for 15 for look like say yo. Things are going for them, you see me I say? Because you have certain places where you go in a foreign, you can know where the rich people them live. Like where live in a
Same thing one that man. Car is a big thing, you know?
Yeah.
You don't see where car a big thing. For Florida, you some you don't see where car a big thing. I tell you the God truth. They are Tampa right now. And
when you have a car, you looked up on as something different or somebody different because you're one. When you have something you can move when the thing virgin, you can always can. You know, so when you have a car, it's hard to broke when you have a car.
Rusty, a truck. You say which part me there? A truck run things. When me say truck, me I talk about like Tundra. Tundra, like
you know what you mean, man?
Hilux, them type of. Them they run things and then them have some one with Ford and thing they make. We are 100,000 US for them and them.
You see the thing is why you ask me that now, you know we know, you know, so you see when you call trucks, we call it out a van. But really what we call van, and that a van.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
But what we call trucks out here is really tractor trailer.
Yes.
Our tipper trucks.
Hey, Rusty, me see some Benz. Me going out, me go on it, me going at the car mart, at the BMW and the Benz car mart. Some new BMW Benz, the Rusty. The sports one then, 2-seater. Ah, God, they are beautiful. 250, 300,000 US. Rusty, me not take up the money by that. As much as it's so beautiful. No, sir. Me where I come from a humble background. Like Jamaica, no, sir. But a man we say, no, you don't understand. Not your motivation. It's gone. One vehicle, Rusty.
Listen, my virgin show me one panel van. When his son buy film, I send come film. It depends on the water come there right now.
Yeah.
It a come in a one container or some other something.
Right.
Look at now. How much you feel the man buy it for?
It depends. It can pay between 3
Man
and
ask
5.
me. How much me think you buy that for? I look on the man and say, about $8,000. The man said, no, sir, way cheaper than that. I say, about 5,000. And he said, no, sir. Not even 2,000 in a pay for. I said,
Yeah, man.
Chris blood clot GMC van in a while, long body one.
Yeah.
Chris one. You hear that?
Yeah, man. Rusty, you see, one of the things we should undo, you see when Jamaica get independent, we should start use American way. Because it would benefit us more if we had done.
You see, we did already tied to Europe, you know. And European people start the Vauxhall them and the mini miners and the Morris Oxford and all of these things today already, Leland and everything today already, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, we already have that tradition there, you know.
Yeah, but I know about me understand say it's true, but you know, we as Jamaica and as an island are a country. In that little region there, we may be the only country right in that little region that's so close to America that don't drive left hand. So the other countries, them, you know, Central America, South America, you know, Rusty. Then this drive come and pick up one of them $2,500, $3,000 vehicle we are talk about, you know, and gone down with, you know. But we feel the vehicle if it come from too far. And that's our problem in a Rusty. Because we should not get vehicle from America. And not that we not get it, but it shouldn't be a way of life.
We don't love American vehicle. Jamaica is a Toyota country. We don't love American vehicle.
I drive Toyota too, so. Me understand what you say, but we should have made that.
Toyota. You can find Toyota parts on roadside and enough is vehicle. Like, I love.
And you know, Rusty.
If me go buy a vehicle right now, me couldn't buy a vehicle like on a Toyota because guess what? You can walk and pick up parts and out of rubbish heap.
And you know, say even in America, you're Rusty. It have a longer life, what you call it now, value than even the American made vehicle, the same Toyota.
Anywhere you turn in Jamaica, you can get Toyota parts. Anywhere you turn.
Yeah, man. When me there in Jamaica, one Toyota me used to drive. If I'm not Toyota, because me not think a vehicle must cost me too much. Me not believe that, because me not see it as an investment.
But all right,
see it as a liability.
I'll show you something. My virgin have one police-shaped Corolla, you see?
Yeah.
And he might look. I must say, I think he might look a nose cutter or something like that. I don't know what say. A virgin tell him where a man can sell him a nose cutter. And he go there and go and check and start the nose cut. There. And one man just call him one side and say, yo, how much money you have buying nose cut? And like him that say to the brother say, $70,000. Man, so me can get a whole blood clot police shape for that, man.
Just like that.
Yeah, I'm going to St. Elizabeth, go give him a police shape, you see?
Yeah.
One kick on the engine start and then drive it come up. And then just pull down female one and fix up for the man all one. And him that
bang, bang, bang.
Spray up here and clean up here and I think I have a drive right now.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to color when put on it, me no love. Him put in an orange.
See one of the bumbo clip vehicle when me attack. This pull up behind me in a Rusty. Why, actually, I can't turn on the camera. You know, but I'll show you it name. See fucking vehicle behind me, one of them. This pull up behind me in a Rusty. You remember the vehicle where the boy they did down in California, the movie star guy did in a freaking vehicle name again.
Where's that?
One of the friggin' vehicle. This pull up behind me. And one of them you don't want, you know. Me ranting. Them have a big engine in it. can't show it. We can't show it. Yeah. Yes, well, my work is done for the week. So tomorrow I'll be off. I got some stuff to do.